So these are the things that God blesses us this year. So I'm Jo, and this year I am grateful for the regular of the job. And recently I won the contest, and tawag ito, may reward. And also I was able to move forward sa isang relationship na hindi na healthy. So yon, very grateful for it.
Hello, my name is Kim, and this year I am grateful for because I am at the ministry where I love shepherding and taking care of the people. And also, I am grateful that I renew my work contract for next year. And I do not have much of big wins for this year, but yung mga simple wins lang na ending this year with a healthy family, having my friends with me, is a win for me.
Hi, I'm Alea, and this year I'm grateful for that na meron akong work na nakakapag-provide for my family needs, and yung work ko is na-appreciate yung effort na in-exert. I'm also thankful for maliit na bagay, good health sa mga anak, sa atin, pamilya. Also, I'm grateful for na sa mga trials na naranasan this year, yung mga pagsubok in relationship and in the ministry that made us stronger and making 2025 such a big part of us.
I am Jem, and this year I am grateful for the health, the good health sa aking pamilya. Unang-una. Pangalawa, I have a decent paying job na nakakapag-provide sa pangailangan ng family ko, especially sa parents ko, sa kanilang mga maintenance. And third, I'm grateful because kasama ko ang aking asawa sa I'm Rachel, and this year I'm grateful for nagpapasalamat ako na guys nagkakatalit sa mga anak ko gumagaling sila nakapag-survive. Pangalawa, yun after 10 years tinatandang kami kahit na simple lang, pero blessing kami ni Lord. Yun, pinagtas ko. Grateful din ako sa pamilya na sa suporta namin.